Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the 1998 Dodge Ram 2500. Mason is down there currently working on his track bar. He had ordered a track bar from who? What was his name?
It was Brian's Auto Rebuilders, and I ordered it about 3 months ago, and he's way behind on material, and ended up, long story short, not being able to get it to me. So I hopped on Amazon and found one for about half the price, and it got to me in about 3 days.
It's amazing what Amazon does. So anyways, that's why you guys have kind of never seen this truck. So basically I made a video of using our jump starter to start the truck, and it's kind of been sitting at storage in the driveway, and now it's finally in the garage. We've just been replacing parts here and there, and then basically waiting for this. The reason being is when he goes down the road, his steering wheel's kind of all over the place, and he's had it aligned, he had his tires replaced and rebalanced, and new gearboxes, and anyway, so now he's down to basically thinking it's the track bar. Let me flip you guys around and I will show you a little bit under the truck. So down here under the truck, this truck has been lifted multiple times. Things have been added and changed, and we don't fully understand all of it, but basically, we think it has a 9-inch lift on it. This is a custom-made bracket for the track bar, and we think it's been made for like a 4-inch lift, and now, you know, there's a 9-inch lift on it. So basically, we're replacing that bracket. We're replacing that bracket with that bracket and installing a new track bar that is sitting over there, and we got some parts sitting over here. So basically, yeah, just wanted to check in, show you guys kind of what we're up to on the Dodge, and I will get a couple of video shots of some of the things that we're doing. It looks like he already has the lower bolt out, and then trying to remove that, and then we have to try to cut that bracket off in order to then try to put that bracket on. So yeah, wish us luck, and I will check back in with you guys once we have it off. What you doing, Mason?
Removing the sway bar in length.
With your 10-inch bolt?
Yeah, it might be longer.
So you made it, what, 2 inches through that bracket so far?
Yeah, I've cut like 2 inches into the weld.
Into that weld in the top section, and
it'll be a lot easier once I get this removed.
On both sides. It's gonna fall apart.
What?
This sway bar link is gonna fall apart. Looks like it has like 25 different parts.
Well, I can just put the nut back on it. One sec.
Alright, so we're gonna get this removed and do the other side and get back at cutting. Luckily that didn't hit me.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
That bracket's not. Wow.
Cool. Weird, whatever this is.
It's quite a bit of weld on there. Someone really went at it.
I like all the holes.
Wow. Yeah, so I've seen other trucks that actually have this bracket on it. I don't know if it's stock or if it's part of a small lift kit or something, but I've never seen it welded up like that. Huh.
That's pretty weird. So now,
so do you think this bracket comes off too?
no, I would think that stays.
Yeah, I mean, that looks
It looks factory.
Yeah, the welds look a whole lot nicer on that. Oh, it's probably factory.
So,
Wow. So you think all that has to come off?
yeah. Do you want to hold the new one up?
Yeah, it's probably still gonna be in the way.
I missed that back corner. So what I was asking is, you know, it looks like you're gonna have to clean all that off.
And it looks like all that's gonna come off too.
Yeah, that whole thing will have to come off.
Maybe then we can get in there a little easier.
Okay. Hey guys, it's the next day, and we got the old bracket off for the most part. Got about 60-70% of it off. You can see the new bracket is just on the left side, just kind of a temporary bolt sitting in it, so we could kind of see how much more grinding we have to do. We have to take that top plate off and then basically just grind the crap out of it for a while. So that's kind of where we're at. It's kind of going in a slow process, but we got the area cleaned up and a little bit more of an understanding of what we're doing. So we're just getting into it. Well guys, it's day 3 and we just finished installing the track bar. We got it mounted over there and got the bracket installed up here. It took a lot of cutting and grinding to get the bracket in, but we were able to get the bracket bolted up and was able to use a level and a tape measure and center the vehicle or the body over the wheels. Yeah, I got the sway bars back on. All right guys, so there we have it. The track bar is installed. Hopefully this video helped you in a little bit of any way, or maybe it was just entertaining. Well, either way, thank you guys so very much for watching, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.